Bumble
Now me tell them people them some water bumble clock sugar daddy now.
Chin stop cuss the bad one. You're being so dramaterium.
Welcome, my people. Bless up, everybody. Welcome back to Jamaican Chat. Bless up, everybody. You know, one thank Father God say we have life and we have a hot video here for everybody. May I beg you to just like, share, subscribe, panda video here. And you don't see the video there at the starting, people. What we really want to get the people them to understand, education is key. Alright? No matter what. I mean, I say a whole heap of music upon the media about dance thing, and people, let me tell you this, the world is operating in opposite. When we say your things bad, it actually good. So when time you hear them artists here sing about dance people, it actually mean you have to be smart. Education is key. Even if you don't want a job and it's just for conversational purposes, education is key. But anyway, you don't see what go on, people. The video you go hot this morning. You understand? Because Silk Boss, you don't know, so Silk Boss have him baby mother who is on the way, Brii, who is also him road manager, everything in a one. You understand? So Brii pregnant, people, and look here, Silk Boss look like say him go do some little play thing a road. You understand? So that girl look like say she pregnant too, and it a cause a big upstir on social media. You know, say Silk Boss him have him clout, so the people them a go into it and the people them a go talk about it and all of that. So Silk Boss name has been in the media for some time now, people. Some time now, from you don't know, box down, rob money, him buy car, crash it. And even before that, him and you don't know, turn around bag of foolishness then at the media. But anyway, this is something new surfacing on the media. Silk Boss basically I talk about a girl we meet, and you know, he basically cheat on Brii, people. You understand? So Brii distraught over it, Brii upset over it, be a ball, she a ball, be a crying, all of them something. The Silk Boss him I try give her space and them something there, but you know, still can't help but feeling caught up over this situation. So people, make a drop the video of Silk Boss attack how him feel about the whole situation, and you know, talk about the next girl where pregnant female as well. And me have something to say to Silk Boss. Big up yourself, Silk Boss. Anyway, you're there, you don't know, Jamaican Chat will always push positive vibes to the people. So what me I say to you is my boss. You see that situation where you're there now? Me, I've been in this situation before. Yeah, fresh hot on the scene, just get a one baby mother. And my girl not even did have baby yet, and then the next girl I come up and I say she pregnant. You understand? So here go on why me can't tell you, cause me did deal with it incorrectly, my G. You see what me I say? Me did deal with it incorrectly. Me did, because me did have my baby mother, me continue still show she the 100, and the next girl will come and I say she pregnant. Me never did show her nothing, because true me I say to myself, that girl that don't see say I have a girl pregnant already, so what she come with, what she try, you understand? But you make a very important point. Once you go there, anything possible. And even though you might have say, yo, that girl there try pull a fast one, or she could all have her man and them thing there, still don't just turn your back, bro, cause that was like the most wrong thing that I could do back then. You understand? And now me I tell you something, I regret it, G. Regret it like heck. I'm not even want to run in my personal business, you understand? Because them artists here do it. So people, stay tuned, check out the video with Silk Boss express what go on in my life right now in terms of cheating and Brii with an ex-girl. You don't know, everybody, me I beg you to just like, share, subscribe, continue for big up on yourself, continue for bless up on yourself. Jamaican Chat up.
Me tell her, say, watch you know, me don't sure if I'm my youth. You see it, me not sure if I'm my youth. So if I'm my youth, me will take full responsibility as a man, if I'm my own. But you can't expect you to come tell me, say, yo, I'm my youth, and me just take it and say, alright, I'm my youth, and just have it to say I'm my youth. Enough man, me say accept youth, you know, when the youth born a jacket them get, you know. You see it, them thing there, no, you see it. Right now, there so right now, Me don't even know what it, me don't even know what to go to my woman and even tell her, say. You see it? As a real G. Me know wanna see it on the TikTok with one little girl, they circulate and one bag of fuck, you see it? No, me and her no them man, no string no attach man, you see it? Me just book her one time dog and you see it? Me and her end up link up on some style dog, you see it? But me and her no in a no farmer day, no love nor nothing like that. Me and her no involve them type of way there. It's just that unfortunately certain things happen. You see it? So me, I be the man and own up for my wrong. And me fuck up. You see it? And me fuck up as a real G. You see it? And me go up and me go literally fuck up dog. So you see, if me never go there, she could assume certain things and say certain things. So I me put myself in the hot water, you know. You see it? So me have to just... So every time I come and sign a talk, when I say a prank, I don't know prank is a real thing me I telling about. You see it? It's a real thing me I telling about as a G over there, so. You see it? I know she, I know no problem. It's not her, it's the problem. And me are the problem, I see it, because I mean wrong. You see it? She good, man. You see it? Very good, man. See it? But I just, unfortunately, a thing go on. Right now, I don't even know who have a bumbuck like the dog. You see it, bro? Me not gonna really get down in that with the dog. You see, but I me wrong same way dog, cause I me end up stay and go fuck it in the dog. You see, if me never do that, bro, certain things would happen, dog. Bro, right now, Brii would even look for me right now, dog. Man, tell her that. I tell her that right now. Brii even would look for me, dog. You see, through me wrong, dog, me not try to force her to talk to me. You see, Brii. You see, what I mean wrong, me not really force her to talk to me and say, yo, Silk Ray. You see it? Cause I mean wrong, bro. You see it? You see this, me no want nobody to really go up on the media and talk about them something here, you see it? Because them something they are fuck, you see it? Right now, she downstairs literally cry I water. I can't even believe that. You see it? Can't believe at all. Just there, so can't believe that. You see it? No man, I lie, no man. Yeah man, me use that man, you see it? Yeah man, it's something where we use man, you see it? It's a thing where we use, but at the end of the day, I don't know what really happening, you know. I can't tell her say, yo, I don't mind because me did go there, so if me go there, you can't know say there is a possibility of mine and it's a possibility say